Blocked up, you heard? We blocked up, man. That's what we do. It's like to do, you heard? Coquita. Mamá. Mamá. Mamá, Coquita.
I'm only taking the trainer. Remember her not to fly away.
We got him. I got this one 12 years and this one like 12. 12
So,
years.
do you have to train not to fly away, or he just stays with you?
This one flies. She fly whenever she wants to.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She flies.
And she'll come back?
Yeah, I gotta go get her and she'll come
Oh,
back.
okay.
God bless you.
All right, good luck, bro.
I've been dealing with that for 14 years.
Because I remember seeing this white lady down like on 139th Street,
Yeah.
walking around yelling for her bird like it's gonna come back. Like he got out, he's like, fuck you.
No, this what happened. She left for 8 days. I got her back.
How'd you find her?
So I had to pay ransom. That's how it is around here. They know it's my bird, so you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. People don't got no heart sometimes, man.
Yeah, I know I left my bag over here. Someone took my bag. It had like my computer, and it was a fucked up computer. It was worth more. I put $1,000 reward up. No one, it was weird. People should not fucking shit.